Hi there! In this video, you will learn how to create a color change effect and morph transition. Let's watch! To make this color change animation in this photo, we need to insert two images. The first is this black and white color images, and the second one is this colorful images. Let's go to make a new blank page and insert your photo. I'll be using these mountain images. And to duplicate it, click Ctrl D and then change this first image's color into black and white. Expand this picture to the whole slide. And do the same with these color images, expand it to the whole slide. Now we want to make these color images cover these black and white images slowly. So how to do it? The first is we go to animations and click this wipe animation and pick the effect options from left. And now change the start on click into with previous. As we see the animation is still fast, we need to change it in animation pane. Go to effect options and set the timing into slow 3 seconds. Click OK. And now it's slightly changing. And to make this white frame, we will create a rectangular shape and make it to no fill. The shape outline is white color and make the wake into 4 half point. Now let's add this travel text. Okay. Now we want to make this animation to the white frame as well. So we'll be making it into wipe animation. Effect options are also from left. And add this travel animation into fade. Now we will set the timing in animation pane. So for this white frame, which has the name of rectangle 5, we will make it to with previous and set the delay to 1. So it won't be shown up together with this color change photo. And the text also make it to with previous and the delay is in 1 as well. Now it's all set up. Let's preview it. Okay. Now how about with the second slides, this one? So in this one, the animation is flipping. To make this animation flipping is to create it in transition and morph. So I'll be showing you. So let's create a new blank page and let's change the format background into a mountainous background. And I'll copy this text. Now put the transitions into morph. Now let's preview it. Yep. It's color change and go to the next slide. The box is flipping. That's all the steps to create this stunning title slide. What do you want to learn for the next tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comment. And for the template, check in the link description below. See ya!